Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel, The Star in Your Child. If you're looking for sustainable results from your special buddies, your gifted child, this channel is for you to get all the encouragement and tips. You are not alone, along with your million others. We together will rock it. So today's topic is fitness during lockdown for our kids. #ball activities. Let's make fitness fun and enjoyable. Kids tend to stick to screen more often now than before, be it for education or for entertainment. So let's get them working on their physical and mental levels. So the 5 exercises or 5 activities that I'm going to take you through today will not only work on their physical level but also on their mental level. So it will work on their eye-hand coordination, it will work on their posture, it will work on their motor planning, it will work on their gross motor skills, it will work on leg control, fine motor skills, and much more. I will elaborate on these as and when the exercises or activities will go further.
In this activity, they need to bend one leg, bend down, and pick the ball from one basket and drop it into the other. This might be easy for some, but as you can see here, not both legs have equal amount of balance in them. So, regular practice will balance their body on both legs. Now in this activity, they need to use both their legs, pick up each ball and drop it in the other basket. They have to lift their legs as high as possible to drop the ball on the other side. Lift and down. Start. In this activity, the child will jump onto the stool, a sturdy stool, and drop the ball into the basket. Here they are multitasking, they are balancing, they are focusing all in one. In this activity, the children will lie one behind the other and pass the ball and drop it to the other basket behind them. Here, teamwork plays a major role, planning skills, you're working on coordination as well as your core strength. It is a fun activity when played together. We can raise the difficulty level by using a bigger ball, wherein they pass the ball with the hand to the leg, again pick it with your hand and pass it to the leg and drop it down. This is a little difficult. Scooting is one of the best exercises that we can give our children, where the whole body is working in coordination. We are working on the shoulder muscles, we are working on the core strength, we are working on motor planning, we are developing their muscle strength and stamina. They are focusing in going forward without moving the chairs. They are developing a lot of strength when they do these scooting activity. And then once they are out of the chairs, their target is to pick the ball and drop it into the basket. So again, we are working on their focus and attention. So every time when they need to return back to their starting point of scooting, they can take up each of these different walks, every time a different walk, so that they listen to your commands and then work accordingly. These various walking, jumping, hopping, all of these will improve their gross motor skills and also their posture. It is playful and fun when it is done every time with a different set of forms.
So you can get as creative as possible with these activities. You can add something, subtract something, higher or lower the level according to your child's need. Each child is different and they do not respond similarly to every activity. But with consistent practice, you can definitely reach to the desired level. Do try these activities at home and let me know how it went with your children, your little ones. I hope they enjoyed them. And if you have not subscribed to my video till now, please do that and hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post my videos. If you found it helpful and you found it interesting, do comment down below and let me know the same. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.